Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing another Everlane haul. If you haven't already seen my other Everlane haul, I did one a couple months ago. I love Everlane, sustainable, affordable fashion. Last time I hit you with the staple pieces. This time I'm doing all comfy, cozy, athleisure, at home haul today. All right, we're talking sweatpants, we're talking sweatshirts, right? We're talking track pants. We're talking hella soft, super cozy, stay-at-home mom, take care of your 2-year-old all day, fashion haul. So let's get into it. Let's see, I made 3 separate purchases. So all of these items came in 3 separate containers. This one was the bulk of it, so I have a big old box. The first thing I purchased was this wonderful, undeniably cozy, stain-resistant, super durable, hella cute pair of joggers. Okay, they're calling this the Track Pant. All right, I got this in a large. This is the same material as their wide leg pant. I think it's a wide leg track pant, I think is what they're calling it. And I own that and I love it. And I reviewed those in my last Everlane video, so check that out if you want to know more about that pair of pants. But this is the same material, so this kind of shrinks up in the wash, but as you wear it, it gets more baggy and loose. And I don't mind that, I kind of like it. So it's like, these come fresh out of the dryer. I do dry these. They're 100% cotton. It's got some threads coming loose, but I wear these a lot and I wash them a lot. So I ain't mad. I love these. Okay, I live in these pants. The pockets are generous. I can fit like 2 handfuls of Magnetiles. I can fit my iPhone 13 Pro. I can fit a couple of blocks. A 360 Munchkin cup can fit in these pockets. Alright, it doesn't have a back pocket like the wide leg pant, but I don't care. I love these because I wear them inside since they're super comfy, and then I can wear them outside running errands, buying groceries, going to the post office. I look put together enough to walk outside in these pants, and I love it so much. I got these in a large. I think they fit perfect. I think when they grow with you as you're wearing them after you wash them, they get a little baggy, and I like that baggy look. They are like a 7/8 length, so they hit me right at the ankle. So they're not super long, but these pants with like a crew sock is a total vibe. So here is the gray and here is a cream. I also got them in white because it was a pack of 3. And yeah, they're a little bit thinner than I expected. I'm really used to like thick, wool socks. I only wear smart wool socks. So this was a change. These are cotton. They have extra padding in the heel and on the toes, but all the fabric in between is really thin. But yeah, I wear these. They have a little fray already. I've only had these like a couple weeks. Yeah, I wouldn't consider these, super durable. If you treat your socks really gently, which I don't know a single person who does, then I would buy these. But socks. You gotta have socks. Are socks really durable? I don't know. The second thing I purchased, which I'm glad I did, was another alpaca sweater. Okay, I have an alpaca sweater that I loved and I lived in, but I bought it for my postpartum body right after I gave birth. So I got a large in that, and it's already oversized, so it's kind of huge. I'm swimming in it. I reviewed that in my last Everlane video, so if you want to see that sweater, then check it out. But I got another one in a size small because I really wanted this to be fitted. I wanted it to be something I could wear out and not look like, my boyfriend broke up with me and I'm sitting on the couch eating ice cream and potato chips watching Sex and the City, which is kind of the vibes that this super oversized alpaca sweater is giving me. So this more fitted oversized alpaca sweater is giving me mom on the go vibes, which, is more where I'm at in my life. So yeah, I got it in one of their special colors, like their seasonal colorways. So it's kind of like a striped, muted blue and green, and I'm super here for that. The next thing I got is like a Michelin Man sweatsuit. So let's get into that. I got 5 items. 1 item didn't ship because it was on back order and it's supposed to get to me in 2 days from now. So I might include that in here, I might not, I don't know. I buy a lot of Everlane stuff, so I might save that for the next one. I like being able to wear these pieces, like the pieces that I want to keep. I like being able to wear them and use them and wash them so I can tell you, you know, how they're holding up, because that matters to me. Like, I'm spending $100 per piece of clothing. So if I'm keeping 2 pieces of clothing, I'm spending $200. Like, I want to know if that clothing is going to hold up more than the $15 H&M shirt I bought. You know, I mean, fast fashion sucks, but also being poor and not being able to afford sustainable fashion also sucks. So, you know, if the clothes I'm buying brand new from a sustainable brand are not holding up like clothing I would buy from Goodwill secondhand would be, which is also sustainable, then why am I forking out an extra $80, you know, $95 to $80 buying something new? Don't quite make sense. My Michelin Man set that I got in like a purple, a beautiful purple, which makes it look more like a marshmallow, which I think is a problem. I kept these in the bag because I definitely want to return them. Now, I think they're cute. All right. The top they're describing as a shirt jacket. A shirt jacket, yes, you heard me right. Apparently this is a thing, especially in menswear, where men don't want to wear shirts and jackets, they just want to wear one item, so they made a shirt jacket. I've never had a shirt jacket, and I'm kind of here for it, okay? I love this layer. It's like I can wear a thin layer, like this shirt underneath, and then just wear this, and then I can go outside and like take the trash out. I actually really like this. It's just so like... what they've done here with this like ribbing, and it's like it's like a puff sticker. You ever had a sticker that was like kind of puffy? You know what I'm talking about? It's like that. So it feels kind of puffy, like there's some fill in between, or it's like an extra layer of fabric, and then they've stitched across to make it like this lined design, but it has some puff, like those puffer jackets. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting, and it definitely adds bulk, okay? And honestly, the pants are flattering. The pants are flattering. My issue is in construction. I don't know if it's this pair of pants, because I bought these when they first dropped. So I was like, oh my god, I gotta have that. I gotta try that on. Let me see what that's like. So it was like their first release of this style, and the construction is off. So you see how like the fly is here and the drawstrings are completely not aligned with where the fly is. It's like they sewed this part of the pant on at the wrong spot. Like, I just want to shift this whole thing over so that the drawstrings like go around the fly. These make your booty look good, all right? And the pockets, they're there. And I honestly love the fit. I really do love the fit. I like the cuff at the bottom. It's a perfect length. I'm like almost 5'8". I'm like really close to being 5'8", and they're a perfect length. The 2 reasons I'm returning these pants is the construction is totally off. Okay, there's 3 reasons. The construction, right? It totally adds bulk, and I'm a pear shape, so I'm not looking for extra bulk on the bottom, if you know what I'm saying. Thirdly, I got the wrong color. I love this color, but I have a 2-year-old, so it's going to be stained. There's going to be markers on it, you know, and washable markers, they're really not that washable. The shirt jacket I love and I wanted to keep, but I'm keeping the alpaca sweater, and I was like, am I really going to wear this? Can I really afford this right now? So this is being returned too. But I love this thing, and my husband does not think it's attractive because of like the Michelin Man ribbing. So I was like, all right, okay, you don't like it. It's kind of pricey. I don't know if I would wear it that much, so I'll have to give it back. But yeah, I love the pockets. One thing I don't like is these, they've got a little hidden side pocket, but they didn't sew it in. So it's like the bottom, you can do this where it detaches from the fabric. I'm not into that. If they just would have sewed this part onto the outer material, then it would be more stable, and you wouldn't be able to see pocket material when I put my hand in it. Like, I put my hand in and you can see pocket material coming out of the side of the shirt. That ain't cute. That ain't cute. The last item I got, I saw these. I saw these in an email they sent out, and they were like, hey, you know, brand new item, new release. And when I see that new release in like the subject, in the subject bar of an email, I'm like, hell yeah. I'm opening that stuff so quick. I love a new release. These, I'm pretty sure they're called the sweater pant. Let me see this. I have no idea. The tag is written in code. I have no idea what they're calling this. I think they called it the sweater pant. Okay, but I was like, oh my god, that looks like the comfiest thing I have ever seen in my life. And it really is. I mean, when you put these on, it feels like you're wearing a cloud, all right? But you don't look like a cute cloud. No. You look like a legitimate cloud, because these are not flattering. The pocket bulk is so easily seen through this thin sweater. It's not thin though. It's like, it's kind of like the alpaca sweater, but like a little bit thicker, but you can see under it, not through it, you know, but you can see the pocket bulk. It's not like incognito pocket, right? It's like, hi, I'm a pocket. I'm not super into that. So very comfortable. Very comfortable. And if I didn't care what I looked like, I would keep these pants. But I do. And I think most people do. So, yeah, these are going back. But honestly, the design, look at this extra little stitching on the pocket. It's so cute. And then they have their little E, their embroidered E that they do. And it's the details, okay? It's the details. Another thing that I hate that they do on a lot of their items is they don't sew the string into the waist. Sew the string in. It can't be that hard. Sew the string in. Also, these strings are like a piece of yarn that they cut. I mean, you can even see the little fray, and they didn't stitch it. Like, you should have embroidered the sides of this, because it's gonna come apart. It's gonna come apart. So like the pant is so well made, you know, like so much thought and detail, and then you give me this string that I feel like it's gonna break in my fingers, and you didn't embroider the sides, so it's definitely gonna shed, and it's gonna pill, and it's gonna have little like flaky pieces of fabric coming off. Again, I got these on the first release. So, you know, something new drops, you're like the guinea pig, you're getting like straight from the factory, I feel like, first run of these clothes. So there's gonna be problems, and there is problems. You know, I love Everlane, and I hate giving them a bad review. I do, it hurts my heart because I love Everlane. I got 6 items because I got the socks too. And I got 7 items if you include the turtleneck I'm getting in 2 days. But of the 6 items that I have here with me today, I'm only keeping 3. I'm keeping the socks, I'm keeping the alpaca sweater, and I'm keeping the track pant. You need to buy yourself some of these track pants, okay? Buy these track pants. I don't know what else to say. You're gonna live your whole life in these track pants. You might as well just buy them. If you want to check out my other Everlane haul, I go over a lot of like staple pieces. I really want to try other sustainable clothing brands, especially if they're affordable. So if you know of any and you want to see a haul, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I upload a video, then go ahead and hit the bell icon. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.